class 10, I have sent you a PDF regarding revised syllabus of physics. I thought that few of them are not understanding it. So today I am preparing a video of it and go through it. These topics that I have given in the PDF are removed. They will not come. Okay, and the remaining whatever topics are given in a book, they will come, and the topics that I have given in the PDF will not come. यानी कि जो मैंने आपको PDF में जितने भी टॉपिक दिए हैं चैप्टर रिफ्रैक्शन के और आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के, वो टॉपिक्स हटा दिए गए हैं, वो नहीं आएंगे, बाकी के टॉपिक्स सब आएंगे. तो so let's see the video and understand it in a good way. Okay, class 10th, so we are going to discuss whatever topics will not come in this year board examination, because we all know due to pandemic COVID-19 coronavirus, this year the board authority has reduced the syllabus up to 30%. So I have given you this PDF in which I have written the topic name, the chapter name, and the topics which are not coming. They are not coming. Okay, it is so that they are not coming. Don't confuse that only they will come. They will not come. Will not come. They have been cut. So in refraction, first of all of you are having book, and in your book it is given the unit number 3 and 4 are of physics. These are of physics in unit 3 and 4. So I am going to discuss only physics. So unit 3, natural phenomena, we see reflection of light by curved surface, coming. Image formed by spherical mirror, coming. Center of curvature, principal axis, principal focus, focal length, mirror formula, derivation not. Magnification, coming. In reflection everything is coming, nothing is cut. That is why reflection is not written there. Then refraction, laws of refraction, refractive index, coming. They all are coming. Then we are having refraction of light by spherical lens, image formed by spherical lens, lens formula, derivation not. Magnification, power of a lens. Now see, the topic which has been cut is come here. Up to here, they are coming. Magnification, power of a lens. They are not coming. Functioning of a lens in human eye is coming. Defect of vision, coming. Their correction, coming. Application of a spherical mirror and lenses, applications in daily life. So whatever the applications is given in the chapter of refraction, they are not coming. Okay, refraction of light through prism, coming. Dispersion, coming. Scattering of light not coming. And applications in daily life. Okay, I'm so sorry, it is coming, because application in daily life is written after scattering of light, so they are not coming. This application is coming, this is coming. Okay, don't be confused. Application of spherical mirrors and lenses, they are coming. Only scattering of light, applications in daily life, not coming. Magnification, not coming. Power of lens, not coming. Means how many topics we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So one topic, magnification, does not come. Second topic, power of lens, does not come. Third topic, scattering of light, does not come. And fourth topic, application in daily life, does not come. Only these 4 topics are not coming. Again I am saying application of spherical mirror and lenses, coming. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 topics are not coming. Magnification, power of lens, scattering of light, and applications in daily life. Okay, next we will have the next chapter, effects of current. So we have a chapter in unit 4, effects of current. Now which topics are cut? application of heating effect of current and combination of resistance in daily life. So where we are having resistance factors always series combination parallel and its application in daily life. This is not coming. Heating effect and its application, only application in daily life is not coming. Else everything is coming. In this chapter, everything is coming. Applications in daily life of what? Of resistors. Series combination and parallel combination is not coming. And applications of heating effect of electric current in daily life is not coming. Else everything is coming. So in this chapter, we have two topics. One, applications of resistors is not coming, and application of heating effect of current is not coming. Then we are having next chapter, magnetic effect of current. In this section, advantage of AC over DC, it is written. Advantage of AC over DC, it is not coming. And domestic electrical circuit is not coming. Else everything is coming. So we are having two topics. They are not coming, else everything is coming. Okay, so we have 4 chapters in which reflection and refraction has been covered by sir. He might be taught you these topics, so you need not to learn it. Okay, cut them. And in heating effect of electric in this electricity chapter, I have leave these topics. I have not taught you, so you need not to confuse that which topic you have to left. These you have to left. And in also magnetic effect of electric current, I'll leave that topics. I hope now you are able to understand it. Okay class, that's all for today. Have a nice day everyone.